In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Squarespace. To do this, first go and open up Squarespace and just go to the website editor. And then what you want to do is click on the settings icon right here in the bottom left. And then here go to domains and emails. Now select domains. And from here, click on use a domain I own. Now here enter the domain that you bought on Namecheap and then click on the continue icon. And from there you can now see that you can connect the domain, which is what you want to do. And then here you can select the provider, which in this case is Namecheap, and then click connect domain, then click continue. Now here they will have you add a bunch of custom records. So now what you want to do is first just create the type. So I'll show you how you can get here. So from the Namecheap homepage, go to account, then dashboard, then here go domain list. Then on your domain, click on the drop down and go to manage. And here click advanced DNS and make sure it's set to Namecheap basic DNS. Now if you have any current records, go and delete those. If you don't, just start by adding a new record. And let's start with a CNAME. Then what you need to do is just for the host, copy what it says there. You can just click it to copy it and then paste that in for host. Then for target, it says data, but you want to copy whatever it says there. And you just want to do this for all of these records. So you now have another CNAME right here, which is www, and then to this. So again, for host www, target what you copied, and now the rest of it's only a record. So I'll just add these other 4 and then get back to you. So I've now added all of them, so make sure you have 6 and that none of them are identical. And once that's the case, just go and click on Save Changes on all of these in order to update your DNS records. And after you have updated all of them, go back to Squarespace, click on Refresh Records. Now it may not work instantly, you can see currently it is not found. And the reason for that is that it takes usually under 20 minutes, but it can even take up to 48 hours for your DNS records to fully update to the new ones. So you just want to go ahead and wait for this. But if you enter exactly what it says here into your DNS records, then you have done it right. So then you just need to wait. And again, usually it will take less than 20 minutes. Now you can see in the meantime, the first 2 have now been found. And the A records may take a little bit more time, but just wait for all of them to be found. And after that is the case, you will then have connected that domain. So you can see I now have all of them. And if I now go to view website, I haven't yet published my website, so therefore it doesn't show anything. But now it would go to my Squarespace website. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Squarespace. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.